Woodworking is a remarkable craft that combines creativity, skill, and business acumen, making it an appealing venture for those looking to earn a profit. The beauty of woodworking lies not only in the finished products but also in the journey of creating them. For beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike, focusing on beautiful wooden crafts can open doors to lucrative opportunities. By selecting aesthetically pleasing designs that are also functional, artisans can attract a wide range of customers interested in unique, handmade items. Understanding the fundamentals of woodworking is crucial for anyone looking to turn their craft into a successful business. Mastery of basic techniques such as cutting, sanding, and finishing is essential for producing high-quality items. As woodworkers develop their skills, they gain the confidence needed to experiment with different styles and techniques. This exploration can lead to the creation of stunning pieces that not only showcase craftsmanship but also fulfill a specific market need, allowing artisans to cater to diverse customer preferences. Identifying a niche market is vital for maximizing profitability in the woodworking business. Researching current trends and consumer interests can provide insights into what types of wooden crafts are in demand. Engaging with potential customers through social media platforms or local craft fairs can help artisans understand their target audience better. By aligning their creations with the desires of consumers, woodworkers can create a strong market presence and increase their chances of making successful sales. Efficiency is key in the woodworking process, especially when aiming to turn a profit. New artisans should focus on creating a streamlined workflow that allows them to produce items quickly without compromising quality. Organizing the workspace and ensuring that tools and materials are readily accessible can significantly reduce production time. This level of efficiency not only helps meet customer demands but also enables woodworkers to manage multiple projects simultaneously, thereby boosting overall productivity. Safety should always be a priority in woodworking. New artisans must familiarize themselves with safety protocols to protect themselves while working. Wearing appropriate protective gear, such as goggles and masks, is essential to prevent injuries and ensure a safe working environment. Additionally, maintaining a clean workspace minimizes the risk of accidents and fosters an atmosphere conducive to creativity. A secure environment allows artisans to focus entirely on their craft, resulting in higher quality products. As woodworkers gain experience, they often find inspiration in various sources. Observing trends in home decor, browsing online platforms, and attending craft fairs can spark new ideas for projects. It's important to remain receptive to inspiration while also considering the practicality of producing items that can be sold. This balance between creativity and marketability is crucial for achieving long-term success in the woodworking business. Networking within the woodworking community can provide valuable support for beginners. Connecting with experienced artisans through workshops, online forums, or local meetups can offer insights and mentorship. These relationships foster a sense of community and can lead to collaboration opportunities, helping new woodworkers navigate the complexities of the business. Learning from others' experiences can accelerate skill development and enhance overall craftsmanship. Establishing an online presence is essential for promoting wooden crafts. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent venues for showcasing creations and attracting potential buyers. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in customers and create an emotional connection to the products. Engaging narratives about the creative process can further enhance this connection, making potential buyers feel invested in the work. As woodworkers refine their skills, they may consider diversifying their product offerings. Exploring different styles, techniques, and finishes allows artisans to expand their creativity while appealing to a broader audience. Seasonal or themed projects can generate excitement and urgency among customers, encouraging them to make purchases. This adaptability is key to sustaining interest and sales in a competitive marketplace, enabling woodworkers to maintain a steady stream of income. Understanding pricing strategies is essential for maximizing profits. New woodworkers should carefully evaluate material costs, labor time, and market prices when setting prices for their creations. Conducting research to understand what similar items sell for can help artisans establish competitive yet profitable pricing. Transparency about the crafting process and the quality of materials used can also justify higher price points, appealing to discerning customers who prioritize craftsmanship and sustainability. Time management plays a crucial role in balancing woodworking with other responsibilities. Creating a structured schedule can help new artisans dedicate specific time for crafting while ensuring consistent progress on projects. This discipline fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages continued engagement with woodworking, ultimately leading to better results and increased productivity. Setting realistic goals can also help maintain motivation and drive. As confidence grows, woodworkers may consider expanding into new markets. Selling at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms provides exposure to different customer bases. Each selling avenue presents unique opportunities for reaching potential buyers. And understanding the nuances of each platform can help artisans optimize their selling strategies. This flexibility broadens the customer base and increases overall sales potential, allowing woodworkers to establish a more robust business. Continuous skill development is vital for long-term success in woodworking. Beginners should actively seek opportunities for learning, whether through online tutorials, books, or local workshops. Expanding knowledge of techniques and trends inspires fresh ideas and innovative approaches to crafting. This ongoing education not only enhances skills but also keeps woodworkers engaged and passionate about their craft, ultimately contributing to their success. Engaging with customers is an integral part of building a loyal following. Encouraging feedback and reviews can provide insights for improvement and help artisans refine their offerings. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful marketing tools, attracting new customers and bolstering credibility. Fostering a sense of community around the brand can enhance customer loyalty, encouraging repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable in a competitive market. Creating a captivating online portfolio is essential for showcasing work. High-quality images that highlight craftsmanship and attention to detail can draw in potential buyers. Utilizing platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or personal websites allows woodworkers to present their creations in a visually appealing manner. Consistent updates and engaging content keep followers interested and eager to see new projects, driving sales and enhancing brand visibility.